Turning with light turner medium. Start by unfolding light turner medium onto the light cover medium. The low friction makes it easy to turn yourself to the side. If assistance is needed, the helper can grab the sheet and help. If the user is heavy, the light turner could be combined with the hoist, making a challenging task an easy one-person job. The light turner medium is perfect for users that can help a little but are unable to mobilize themselves. This gives the user a higher feeling of participation. And all the hard work is done by the hoist and light turner. The ultra-low friction makes it easy for the helper to position the user for any care-related task. As you can see, turning is easy, but if you want stability, consider using Master Comfort wedges. For more information, visit our website or call us. We'll be happy to help you.